Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Lazada free price. So Lazada free price, what is that? So when you go to your account at your Lazada, first thing you need to do is open up your Lazada. Once you're here, go to account. And as you can see on my right side, you will see free price. Click on the free price and it's loading. Once you are here, as you can see right now, you can plant like that. There you go. As you can see, once I plant, my harvest grows. So what will happen here is once the harvest grows, as you can see, there's 14 over 15. I just need one more. When it's done, I will get a free rice. So how much of rice will I get? So let's check on it. As you can see, those are the proof of other people getting their rice. It's a 1 kilogram of rice, and it has free shipping to your home once you have harvested the 15 rice right now. As you can see, there's only 14. There you go. There you go. And just keep on doing it. So here are the missions. So there are missions here to get more water so you can plant. So we're gonna do a mission right here. How about let's do the treasure hunt. So treasure hunt for water. So let's do that mission. Let's go. So let's treasure hunt for water. And let's find the water. Then, oh, there's water here. Click on that. Then go back. There you go. We got one water. Okay, so and there's another water here. There you go. As you can see, browse for after go. As you see on the top, you will see please go back to Lazada for reward. So let's go back. And there we go. We can claim our water. Then after that, we can put our water here. We're gonna plant our wheat. There we go. Put more water. Put more water. And to get more water, as you can see on my left, it's a 500 ml. So this guy will just fill up that water every second like that. He will keep on filling up. Another way to get water is by clicking on those grass things. You see? Click on those grass things, and it will give you water, 10% of water or 10 ml of water. And let's go. Keep on planting. Oh, and as you can see on my bottom right, there's a claim free water. Let's claim. So there's more missions you can do. So we're gonna do another one mission. So we're gonna do this browse hot deals. So browse hot deals 3 times for water. So we need to browse 3 times for water. So we're gonna click on this one, browse that. Let's browse this one, and let's browse this one. As you can see, we have browsed that. Oopsie. Yeah, we'll browse this one too. Skip browsing. There we go. Browse. Oh, we got 50 ml of water. Keep on looking. There we go. There we go. I'm browsing. And there you go. Once it's done, please go back to Lazada for reward. So go back. And there you go. We can claim our 400 water. And we can plant back again. So there you go, guys. After you finish this and you have reached the 15 over 15, you will get a free rice with free delivery. So there you go. That is the Lazada free price. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something from the video. And if you want, you can invite a friend so you can increase the amount of fastness of the growth of the wheat. So that is it, guys. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.